So to make the fruit kebabs, these are the things that you need. You're going to need a container, and I have 2 of these silver containers. You see they're nice and embellished. You're also going to need styrofoam rounds. It comes in a package of 2. When you open them up, you have 2 of them, and all you do is take them and stack them together like this, and take your bucket and you're going to stick it down in the bucket. Once they're in the bucket, it comes to about right here where the design stops, which is really good. That's about where you need it. You're also going to need a bag of foil shreds, and you just open up the foil shreds, and you're going to take just a little bit, and it's a lot. You only need a little. And you're going to put it just down into the top of the bucket so that you can no longer see the styrofoam. And the last thing you're going to need is a package of the skewers, and they can be the short skewers or the long skewers, just depending on how long or how tall you want your fruit display. And you're going to just take your skewers and place your fruit on the skewers in different designs, however you want them. Just make sure that when you do decorate them, that you make sure that the fruit design is toward the top of the skewer, because the bottom of the skewer, where the point is, that's where you're going to stick down inside the styrofoam. Another very important thing to see is that I have these plastic basket bags, and I've already set my containers inside those bags. So once I have all of the fruit skewered and placed inside the buckets, I can just wrap them up and seal them tight so that they can travel without any spills. So today we're going to use these grapes. We're going to rinse them off in just a moment. So we're going to use these purple grapes or red grapes. And then we also have these grapes right here. They're considered black grapes. They're more of a dark purple, but they're called black grapes. And then we also have some really juicy green grapes to use. And to make the skewers nice, we are going to add some fresh strawberries, and we have a couple of containers of strawberries. So you could use whatever fruit you like. If you like blueberries or raspberries, or if you're into cantaloupe or different type of melons, that would be fine. But for today, these are the fruit that we're going to use for our skewers. I'm going to go ahead and start them, and I'll let you see what they look like once I get started and how I place them inside the display. So these are the first 3 sticks of skewered fruit that I've done so far. I'm going to do them randomly in different orders so that the colors pop and in different ways, and I'll show you that as I can continue. But I just wanted to show that you can use any fruit that you like in any order that you like to put them together to make the creation just how you like it, or just how whoever you're making it for likes it. You can use all strawberries, all grapes, cantaloupe, any kind of melons, anything you like. This is just what we're started with so far, and I'll get back to you once I complete all of the sticks that are going to get ready to go inside the display. So what I'm going to do now is take some of the fruit that's here. Remember, it has a point on the end, so you're going to use this pointy end. Remember, we have the styrofoam inside the bucket. And so all you're going to do is take your fruit and make sure that you stick it through the styrofoam so it can stand however you want. You just continue to arrange them in any way you want. It's good if you kind of put some on a slant and stick some of them straight up until you get your desired design. And I'm going to keep doing this just for a moment, and then when I come back to you, I'll show you what it looks like once I have all of the sticks exactly where I would like them. So once you finish arranging them however you want, you can make them more full if you want to use more pieces, or make them smaller and add different designs. But these are the two that I completed today, just with the different berries inside the buckets. And here's the second one. So with the number of skewers that I used, maybe 50 or so, I'm not sure how many I used, I just separated them out and put them inside the bucket. Sorry about that. And I'm also going to show you how it looks once I wrap them up and get them ready for delivery. So this is what the fruit arrangements look like once they are all inside the plastic bags. You see at the very top there's a little twist tie here to keep them closed, and they're all ready for transport. And this is the final project. This one is really simple and easy, something you can do in an hour or less. Until next time, thanks for watching this video. Go ahead and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you would like to see more DIYs. Thanks for watching. Bye.